The Pats at the line, ready to go. Now Jones on 1st and 10. Flush to his right. That'll be caught by Hester. And he's upended at the 33 following a good pickup of 8. Here's a 2nd and 2 now from the 33. Flushed out right. Throwing right, and that's complete. That one was hard to fathom. They were in the dime. They had 6 DBs back there. They still lost it.
Great word, because I'm right there with you. I don't understand how they couldn't pick him up. But don't be surprised next week early, there's some extra people in the locker room. Maybe a tryout or two for those guys who missed him.
And Folk's kick is good. And the Patriots jump out to a 3-0 lead. And just like that, another ultimate challenge has been defeated. Savor the victory, if only for a moment, because you know there's always another challenge right around the corner.